Hello, in this video session I'm going to show you how to make control operations on the web QC screen. Here you can see inline control or final control operations for sewing, packing or any other stuff. You are going to see the order number, style, information. Click on the quality control that you want to make. Here you are going to see the style picture. You can choose accepted or denied, shippable or unshippable. And then if you have any type of errors, click add new task, choose the type of error and choose the quantity of the error. If you need to add any other errors, click on the add new test button. If you have a specific picture on the error, you can click add image on this error. If your device has the camera feature, when you click add image button, the camera will work. If you want, you can add general comments in this part as well. If you want, you can take a picture of the style or any other thing that you wanted and you can upload it here. Or if your device has a camera feature, when you click this, your camera will be activated. Then if you want, you can send this as an email or you can print a quality control form from here as well. If you completed the task, you can choose completed. You can also choose one of them as well. Then you can go back to the same screen